I discovered two very exciting things that make the 200 IM one of the top 3 best events to watch at the Olympics. The first fact is that 7 swimmers are already faster this season than the gold medalist of the Tokyo 2021 Olympics. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think there's another event that we've talked about where this happens. This fact is actually crazy. And we haven't even started the Olympics yet. The USA trials are about to start, and the Australian trials have already begun. No country has been able to win this event more than twice in all Olympic history. But this year, 3 countries have a chance of achieving the 3 victories. The United States hasn't won this event since '84, but now they have a very good chance with Alex Walsh and Kate Douglas, who are ranked 2nd and 4th, but they also have Tori Husk in 7th. Shane Gould and Stephanie Rice were the Australian winners in '72 and 2008. And now they have the current ranked number 1, Kaylee McKeown. Kaylee is the favorite to win this event, but not by much. The only person to defend the title in the entire Olympic history is the Ukrainian swimmer Yana Kloshkova in 2000 and 2004. She's also the only one to defend the 400 IM title. China has won this event twice with Lin Li and Yi Sheyan in '92 and 2012 respectively. The world record holder and the winner of the 2016 Olympics is the Iron Lady Katinka Hosh. Only 5 swimmers in history have been able to break the 2-minute and 7-second barrier, and Katinka is the only one who have done it 3 times. But Kaylee McKeown just broke that barrier for the 2nd time. Summer McIntosh might join that club very soon. For me, this event is among the top 3 hardest races to win at an Olympic level. The individual medley events are where we can find the lowest average height of all swimming events. This gives us a clue that talent is not the only thing required here, but also extraordinary skills in the basics of swimming and hard work. The medley races are where you recruit the most number of functions on your muscles and joints. Therefore, the one who dominates what we call the 5 pillars of swimming has the best chance to win both the 400 and the 200 IM. And that's the second fact I've discovered. If you win the 400 IM, you're very likely to win the 200 IM. If you don't believe me, let's see who won these 2 events in '96, 2000, 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016, and 2021. The winner of the 400 IM has also won the 200 IM in the last 7 editions of the Olympics. And in the World Championships, Katinka won both events in 2013, 2015, 2017, and 2019. If this trend continues, it is likely that Summer McIntosh has the best chance at winning both events. But since 2022, this trend has changed. The 3 medalists of the 200 IM were different from the 3 medalists of the 400 IM. And the same thing happened in 2023. Progress in swimming, both globally and individually, is never linear. It has a logarithmic trend that is not perfect, but considering that 7 swimmers this season are already faster than the Olympic champion, we can predict that the graph is about to drop. If we zoom in the last 23 years and include the World Championships, we can first see the great effect of the supersuits in 2009. Then we can see the dominance of Katinka 7 years in a row. And now we have 2 swimmers already under 2 minutes and 7 seconds. With a time of 2:06, you're already among the top 5 swimmers in history. But it is possible that this year we will see the first 2:05 and maybe the 3rd victory for one country. Who do you think will win the medals? I honestly don't know. If you want to see a longer video we made about Katinka Hoshu, click here. See you there. Swim fast!